concept of ahimsa, karuna. So now, young Indian, as an Indian, you should feel proud. This nation, you see, I think a lot of potential to make contribution, better world, better humanity, happier humanity. So you should pay more attention for study this ancient Indian knowledge. So that's about my talk. Then some questions now.
A very good morning to His Holiness. So I must say this is a pleasure to be in your presence and be blessed with your teachings. So I want to ask that in all the religions, a special place has been given to dhyan, that is meditation. And in this fast-paced and competitive world, how can one achieve long-lasting peace and remain calm?
Shamatha, single-pointed meditation, is just, channelize the strength of our mind. Usually, you see, our main mind, chit, usually we call sixth mind. You see, very much sort of, combined with sensorial five senses of organs. So the logical approach or thinking is the sixth mind, not sensorial level consciousness. Sensorial level just bring information. The real sort of judgment is carried by sixth mind. So, so now, for example, anger, frustration, fear, all these are part of chit, or sixth mind, not sensorial. So materialistic world, mind, they do not, as I mentioned earlier, they do not, their knowledge is very limited about mind. In beginning of, till 20th century, the scientists, they simply consider there is no mind except brain. Now, later part of 20th century, more and more now scientists, especially brain specialists, now realize there is something which affects our brain. That's chit. So now, training, in the sense, you see, shamatha is channelize our mind, not following sensorial consciousness, but main mind, chit, you see, increasing its sort of ability. Then meditate on different subject. Now, here, usually we say vipassana, analytical meditation, analyze. So, now here, analytical meditation about its different emotion, anger, compassion. We can understand deeper level. Anger is destructive. Compassion is constructive. And anger and compassion cannot go together towards one subject. No, when anger comes, no compassion. When compassion comes, anger, no place. So, you see, the practice of Dharma really means analyze these things, then put more emphasis about compassion, then automatically anger reduces. Now here, the modern scientists, some scientists say basic human nature is more compassionate because we are a social animal. So on that sort of base, you see, we use our brain, analyze what's the value of anger, what's the value of compassion. Here, you see, one of the best sort of book about this matter, the Shantadeva, great practitioner and scholar, his writing, Buddhism, one book, 10 chapters. That 10 chapter, you see, 6th chapter, you see, series of explanation and with comparison, anger and compassion, or mainly anger, 6th chapter. Then 8th chapter, he mentioned selfish and altruism. Not only about next life, not only nirvana or moksha, simply how to have live this life more peaceful mind. So these texts,
No.
we have some copy. I want to give you and study, think, analyze. Very useful. I myself also, you see, last now over 50 years since I received oral transmission. You see, this book, it really transformed my way of thinking, my emotion. And of course, other books, the Nagarjuna's, Madhyamika Mulakarika, as some book I already mentioned, these very, very helpful. You see, to transform our raw emotion. And here, the scientific sort of finding also very helpful, like that. So, anger, frustration, actually eating our immune system. So, constant anger is very bad for our health. Other side, compassionate mind, very, very helpful to our sort of physical health also. So like that. So through meditation, mainly analytical meditation, very useful, powerful way to transform our mind. Okay. So through prayer, not sufficient. Pray to God. Pray to Buddha. Buddha himself, you see, express, I cannot sort of wash his disciples' sort of sin. And nor he cannot remove suffering of his disciple. Nor he transfer his own inner quality to disciple. Only thing is, he explain how to transform our emotion. So he himself is taught like that. Good. Thank you.